Good morning. I am Global Marketing Director, Doris Banlasa Nibilio. I am a physical therapist by profession, and I've been in Lifestyles Company for the past 16 years. This time, I would like to discuss to you about the company where I am in. So, Lifestyles is an international corporation. It's being founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. Its offices are in 17 countries worldwide. And it's been 30 years of proven success. Actually, it just celebrated its 31st year anniversary last February of 2020. And this company provide quality health and wellness solutions. And we are so proud because the founder, David Dibora, is a very successful entrepreneur and a self-made millionaire who has a true entrepreneurial spirit. Many of our distributors have created million-dollar businesses from their own homes. Kasama po kami doon. And Lifestyles po is a proud member of the Direct Selling Association. And it offers travel incentive trips. Ang galing po ng Lifestyles kasi ngayon po we are running an incentive. If you go Executive Director, go Pearl Farm. Ito po ay ini-intend po namin sa mga distributors na masisipag. So binibigyan po sila ng mga incentive travels ng Lifestyles. So Lifestyles is committed to quality. Every Lifestyles products is scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements and carefully tested to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. So lahat po ng products pumapasa po sa lahat ng standards po ng buong mundo. So if you can see, ang pagkakagawa po nito ay pulido. So nakikita nyo po sa slide, wala pong kamay na gumagawa dyan. Lahat po ng gumagawa is machine. So to ensure that the product is really quality. So nakikita nyo, it's being labeled. Kung saang bansa po siya napupunta, yun po yung label niya. And sa slide na yan, nakikita nyo po, nakalagay na po siya sa box. So that boxes are already ready for shipment to different countries. So ganun po kaganda yung company natin, and we are so proud because it's been already tested and proven for so many years, and I'm so happy that I am part of this company. Thank you po, and good morning.